Hi, hello everyone. This is Mr. M from Algebra Lessons. In today's video, I'm actually trying to help you with the simplification of rational expressions. This is the part one of this series. In this video, I'll help you with three different problems. Three different kinds of problems. The first problem is 18x to the power 6 by 27x to the power 4. Most of the time, the students are actually kind of making mistakes because of they're actually kind of not familiar with the basic rules of exponents. So before you guys kind of approaching these kind of problems, you need to refresh your memory with the laws of exponents. The very important law you need here is the division of two terms, x to the power m over x to the power n. What you basically need to do is subtract the exponents. If the base is same, here the base is x, so both the base is same, and now what you need to do is x to the power m minus n. That means subtract the exponents. Let me write an example. Say for example x to the power x to the power 10 minus x to the power, it is divided by x to the power 2. You can write this in different way, that is x to the power 10 divided by x to the power 2. That is, you need to subtract the exponents as per this rule. So this is the rule that you need to follow when you are actually kind of trying these kind of problems. So what you need to do is 10 minus 2, x to the power 10 minus 2. Answer is x to the power 8. So this is what you need. Okay, so let me try this problem, how we can solve this. Okay, so if you have these kind of problems, what you need to do first is you just try to split the number part together and the variable parts together. So 18 divided by 27, the number part. Then the variable part is x to the power 6 over x to the power 4. Okay, now, you know this is a fraction. You know how to simplify the fractions by taking the highest common factor out and cancelling it. So for that, just for your understanding, I'm splitting this numerator in terms of 9. 9 times 2 is 18 and 27 is 9 times 3. Okay, times, and you know what is x to the power 6 by x to the power 4. By using this expression, you just need to subtract these two powers, that is x to the power 4, x to the power 6 and x to the power 4. Subtract it, 6 minus 4 is 2. So the result of that fraction is x to the power 2. Now see, look here. You can cancel the common terms from both numerator and denominator. It's a common. So left over is 2 over 3. So your final answer is 2 over 3 x square. So this is your final answer for this problem. Okay, so let me show you another kind of a problem that is 16 a square b to the power 3 c to the power 4 over 20 a to the power 7 b to the power 2 and c square. Okay, how can we do this? Like what I said before, you just need to split the number part together and the variable part together. If you have multiple variables, combine like variables. Okay, so 16 divided by 20, then a to the power 2 divided by a to the power 7, again b to the power 3 divided by b to the power 2, c to the power 4 divided by c to the power 2. Okay, so splitting it, highest common factor. So 16 can be write as 5 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 and 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. And now here you can simplify. Just use the previous rule that I explained. So you need to subtract these two exponents. Don't think that higher minus lower. It is the upper minus the lower. That means here 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. So a to the power negative 5, and 3 minus 2 is 1, b to the power 1, and 4 minus 2 is 2, so c to the power 2. So your answer will come out as, common term you can cancel, 4 over 5, 4 over 5, a to the power negative 5, b to the power 1, you can write b, c to the power 2. Okay, so sometimes some teachers may look for the most simplified form. So you have a negative exponent here, so you can take that negative exponent to the denominator and write that piece in the denominator with the positive power. So you can rewrite this answer as 4 times b times c to the power 2. So 4bc squared divided by, in the denominator you have 5, and this a to the power negative 5 will come as a to the power 5 in the denominator. So that is your answer for second type of problem. Let me explain another set of problem, that is 2x plus 6 divided by 4x minus 12. So basically the same procedure we need to follow here, but the numerator and denominator is actually in the form of a sum. So what you need to do is you need to take the common terms specifically from numerator and specifically from the denominator. Okay, look here, 2x plus 6. So you can rewrite this as 2 times x plus 2 times 3, because I can write 6 as 2 times 3, and 4x minus 12 is 4 times x minus 12 can be write as 3 times 4, so the leftover is 3. So from the numerator I can take 2 out 2 times, so I took this 2 out, this 2 out, so leftover is x plus 3, and in the denominator I already did that process, so x minus 3. And look here at the numerator and denominator. You have 2 is common both numerator and denominator, so you can cancel it out. So 2 and 4 is 2 times 2, so 2 groups of 2 is 4. So 1 2 is left over there. So the answer for this problem is x plus 3 divided by 2 times x minus 3. So this is the answer for this problem. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you are not a person subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos of the same kind, and specifically the second part of the simplification of rational expression. So see you then.